डेली वेयर ज्वेलरी और फैशन ज्वेलरी, इसका डिफरेंस क्या है, इसमें है क्या?
So daily wear could be in the range of maybe around 15 grams to roughly around 25 to 30 grams.
ओके, डेली वेयर मेरे लिए बेटर होगा कि फैशन ज्वेलरी होगा, ऑल्सो कीपिंग द पर्सपेक्टिव द इन्वेस्टमेंट पार्ट?
60-65,000 रेट था, अभी
80,000
पहुंच गया। तो it's always a good investment if you go for a daily wear jewelry or a long term jewelry, I would say gold jewelry.
Okay.
क्योंकि आज अगर आप लोगे 15 ग्राम 20 ग्राम का, इसका रेट और बढ़ेगा ही बढ़ेगा।
अच्छा, how has GJC given a platform for retailers like you?
As a owner, I sit one-on-one with the customer to understand their needs, their budget, because diamond is more of customization.
That's true. If the consumer sleeps well, then you sleep well. Welcome to Jewelry Insider with Shan Chawla, initiative by GJS. So today we have fourth generational jeweler with us from Belgaum, Mr. Nishil Podar from Podar Brothers. And Mr. Nishil, how has been your experience in Bombay in the last 2 days? Do you like the rains?
Yeah, of course. I think it's raining heavily. I mean, they have shown red alert now for today.
Yes.
So I've just reached yesterday, so just entered.
Luckily, we are at Geo.
Correct.
And there won't be any drainage issues. Like
Geo has been an amazing experience. I mean, past so many years, what I'm seeing.
Perfect.
I mean, it's been a really amazing experience, especially exhibitions.
That's amazing.
So every year we get to see something new coming up. And GJC, of course, hats off to them. The kind of arrangements they are doing, the kind of exhibitors
Definitely.
they are arranging, it's
mind-blowing.
It's mind-blowing.
Yes. So, Nishil, what I understand is that you guys are heavily dominating in Belgaum, in obviously all over jewelry, but right now what I understand, the trend in Belgaum which has been is towards lightweight jewelry.
Lightweight jewelry, of
I
course.
think it's more of a Gen Z concept and the younger generation being oriented towards it. So there is something as fashion jewelry as well. So मुझे क्या समझना था ना यार कि ज्वेलरी में डेली वेयर ज्वेलरी और फैशन ज्वेलरी, इसका डिफरेंस क्या है, इसमें है क्या? मतलब
like daily wear jewelry, as you said, daily wear jewelry or fashion jewelry. Now, as you said, the millennials, they are more into fashion jewelry right now. So fashion, let me just categorize fashion jewelry. Fashion jewelry, I would say, I think silver is kind of what silver as well as diamond jewelry.
अच्छा,
diamond jewelry आजकल जो 18 में बिक रहा था वो slowly अभी 14 में shift हो रहा है.
अच्छा.
Because of the pricing part, of course. The gold also has increased, the diamond prices have increased. उसमें अभी 14 कैरेट में जैसे कि जो भी पॉकेट फ्रेंडली जो डिज़ाइंस होते हैं या पॉकेट फ्रेंडली जो प्राइसिंग होता है, उसमें हम लोग फैशन ज्वेलरी को कैटेगराइज कर सकते हैं.
अच्छा.
जैसे कि 15,000, 20,000, 25,000. अच्छा. ये जो हो गया ये पॉकेट फ्रेंडली डिज़ाइन हो गया फैशन ज्वेलरी में.
और डेली वेयर फिर क्या हो गया?
डेली वेयर में जैसे कि आप यू कैन कैटेगराइज इफ यू कम डाउन टू अगेन गोल्ड ज्वेलरी, मे बी 18 कैरेट और ऑल्सो 22 कैरेट. सो डेली वेयर कुड बी इन द रेंज ऑफ मे बी अराउंड 15 ग्राम्स टू roughly around 25 to 30 grams.
Okay.
That could be the daily wear jewelry.
Okay.
So ये daily wear jewelry और fashion jewelry का थोड़ा बहुत difference हो सकता है.
अगर निशिल मैं 24 साल का लड़का हूँ, ठीक है, और मेरे को मॉम डैड ने बोला यार तूने कपड़े बहुत खरीद लिए.
ओके.
अब मैं डेली वेयर मेरे लिए बेटर होगा कि फैशन ज्वेलरी होगा, ऑल्सो कीपिंग द पर्सपेक्टिव द इन्वेस्टमेंट पार्ट?
देखो इन्वेस्टमेंट, एज यू सेड, गुड क्वेश्चन, एज यू सेड कि डेली वेयर अच्छा होगा या फैशन. आई वुड रिकमेंड यू कि डेली वेयर फैशन ज्वेलरी से अच्छा डेली वेयर.
हाँ.
इसका कारण ये है कि एज यू सेड एक साल पहले आपने जब देखा जब 60-65,000 रेट था, अभी 80,000 पहुंच गया. तो it's always a good investment if you go for a daily wear jewelry or a long term jewelry, I would say gold jewelry.
Okay.
क्योंकि आज अगर आप लोगे 15 ग्राम 20 ग्राम का, इसका रेट और बढ़ेगा ही बढ़ेगा.
अच्छा.
तो मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूंगा कि आप इंस्टेड ऑफ आपका एक पोर्टफोलियो आप ज्वेलरी के लिए केवल रखो इन्वेस्टमेंट, ताकि आपका आगे बढ़ते ही जाएगा.
और जो उसका मेकिंग चार्ज है वो तो भाई 2-2 महीने में कवर हो रहा है. This year gold has done around 16 to 15% of returns.
करेक्ट.
मार्केट इतना नहीं दे पाता है.
5 दिन में आप देखिए 5,000 रुपये बढ़ गया 10 दिन में अभी.
Yes.
10 to 15 days. I think last week it was around 73-74,000. Now it has come to around 78,000 with GST. I'm talking with GST 24 carat. So ये बढ़ते ही जाने वाला है. I think probably it might go up to 1 lakh also.
Wow,
अगर,
definitely.
You know, if you keep on investing around, as you said, daily jewelry, daily wear jewelry, and maybe 10 grams, 15 grams, 20 grams, ये आपका बढ़ते ही जाएगा. And you can cover up, as you said, your making charges also. So
Definitely.
one fine day you will realize that इसमें हमारा making charges भी cover up हो गया.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So again, one thing which I would like to also know कि how has GJC given a platform for retailers like you coming from Belgaum? Belgaum is a tier 2 city where demand has been increasing day by day.
Correct.
But then you are the people who are catering to these people and supplying to their needs.
Correct.
Has GJC helped you with that?
Yeah, of course. I would say not only Belgaum. GJC is, you know, they make sure that they go down to tier 2, tier 3 cities जैसे कि बेलगाम हो गया, हुबली धारवाड़ हो गया, या और भी रूरल you know तालुकाज लेवल तक वो पहुँच के one-on-one they make sure they visit one by one jeweler and they invite all the jewelers including tier 2, tier 3 and talukas also. और ये सब अरेंजमेंट्स करना, उनका स्टे करना या अकोमोडेशन करना, यू नो, एंड ये सब आपके जो B2B जो रिटेलर्स है या फिर ज्वेलर्स है, उनको ये सब ऑर्गेनाइज करके देना, इट्स अ हरक्यूलियन टास्क, आई वुड से. सो इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक वर्क व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, ट्राइंग टू कनेक्ट पीपल, ट्राइंग टू connect the taluka level people. Really it's not very easy, you know, getting them up to Mumbai. It's not very easy getting the taluka level people up to Mumbai.
That's true.
So hats off to them. They are reaching that level, going down there, and you know, getting them till here Mumbai. Really it's amazing.
I think that is really good. Yes.
Yeah.
So what I want to know is, you have a very niche market of consumer, which is Belgaum, Karnataka, and Goa. तो यहाँ पर लोग ज़्यादा गोल्ड प्रेफर करते हैं, डायमंड प्रेफर करते हैं, जेमस्टोन्स प्रेफर करते हैं, कैसी टाइप की ज्वेलरी पसंद करते हैं?
Well, now the where we have situated is we are lucky to be situated in such a place that we are bordering of 3 states, I would say. Belgaum is a bordering for Maharashtra, Goa as well as Karnataka. So we have a cosmopolitan culture there.
That's amazing.
So we have all kinds of crowd. But I would say, as you said, gold jewelry to regular movement, since we are situated towards southern part of India, so people prefer more of gold jewelry.
Obviously, and tier 2 as well, because tier 2 as well is one of the aspects.
So pocket friendly is very important. Serving people right now, the prices have gone so up. So we need to have very pocket friendly jewelry. That's as amazing. I said earlier, within 15 grams, 20 grams or maybe 25 grams of range. Perfect. And when it comes to diamond jewelry, again that we are also catering right from starting from 15,000 20,000 rupees का diamond jewelry भी हमने रखा है हमारे store में.
Amazing, yeah. That's really good for the consumers, and I think you are providing them with what they require.
Of course, we do a lot of customization as well when it comes to, of course, diamond jewelry.
That's amazing.
So we as a owner, I sit one-on-one with the customer to understand their needs, their budget, because diamond is more of customization.
That's true.
So yeah, that's what we try and do, and you know, make sure the consumer is happy with what
and satisfied, sleeping well at night.
Yeah.
If the consumers,
that's very important.
If the consumer sleeps well, then you sleep well. And I think, Nilesh, that was an amazing insight about these lightweight jewelry and around Belgaum, and I think thanks a lot, and your legacy keep on going.
Yeah.
I think you guys are the one who's making a statement out for jewelers and pushing out their kids to keeping this business alive. And I think this
we need to do that, because the market is so competitive.
It's so big,
so competitive, and so potential.
Yes, it's 80 billion. It's going to be doubling in the next 7 years. We need more people for this.
So we need to catch the millennials, understand their needs.
That's true.
And we need to cater them, serve them what they understand their needs, and we need to, you know, see to it that we somehow we cater them.
That's amazing, Nilesh.
Yeah.
Thanks for this.
Thank you, Shan. Thank you so much. Thank you.